The Nvidia Geforce RTX 4080, part of the Ada Lovelace architecture, offers substantial performance improvements over its predecessors, positioning itself as a high-end option for gamers and content creators. Performance. In 4K gaming scenarios, the RTX 4080 delivers impressive frame rates, often surpassing the RTX 3080 by approximately 50% and the RTX 3080 Ti by around 30 to 40%. His performance boost is particularly noticeable in titles that leverage advanced features like ray tracing and DLSS 3.0/3.5. Power efficiency. Despite its enhanced capabilities, the RTX 4080 maintains commendable power efficiency. Reports indicate an average power draw of 271 W during intensive tasks, which is efficient given its rated 320 W TDP. Design and cooling. The RTX 4080 features a substantial cooler design, similar in size to the RTX 4090s, occupying up to 4 slots in some configurations. This design choice has been criticized, as the 320W TDP of the RTX 4080 doesn't necessitate such a large cooling solution. Market reception. Initial sales of the RTX 4080 were reportedly weaker compared to the RTX 4090, which sold out quickly upon release. Factors such as the global cost of living crisis and the card's high price point have been suggested as contributing reasons for the subdued market response. Overall, the Nvidia Geforce RTX 4080 stands as a powerful GPU, delivering significant performance gains and efficiency. However, its high price and oversized cooling solution may deter some potential buyers, especially with competitive alternatives available in the market. Thank you so much.